issued a tornado warning for southeastern Roosevelt County in northeastern Montana, eastern Richland County in northeastern Montana, until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sydney, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fairview around 4:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Nolli, Snowden, Woolley, Fort Union, and Crane. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.